Welcome old school legends and car audio enthusiasts. Today I'd just like to have a brief chat about old school car audio and what we're actually all about. So what is old school car audio all about? Well, old school car audio isn't actually about old school equipment, although I do like the old gear. Maybe it's because I'm old as well, but it does resonate with me. But old school car audio is about old school values in the car audio world. It's about coming together, SQ guys and bass heads, coming together and participating, collaborating together on builds. No great idea was ever done in isolation. Nothing fantastic was ever done by one person on their own from start to beginning. You've always had an influence somewhere in your life, whether it was someone who at school when you were educated, a friendship, a word said in passing in the street. So there are influences in your life, and it's all about being together with people who are smarter than you, being together with people who have different values and different ideas, and by working together you actually produce the best result. So old school car audio is here for everyone to come and enjoy. It's about guys who want to work on their cars, work on their car audio systems, have a place to come and can participate and work on their systems with other people. And by coming together, you'll probably enhance the sound system that you're going to put in your car. You'll get new and fresh ideas, and you'll be able to test some of those theories with people who probably know a lot more about things than you. So that is the whole intent and purpose of old school car audio. We're going to have events here, industry training nights. We're going to bring you our old school builds, and we want others to come and participate in what we're doing and learn. And we're also going to be learning. We're going to be talking to people who are a lot smarter than me, and believe me, that is not difficult. And they will be imparting their knowledge on all sorts of topics. But it's a great learning and sharing experience for everyone. So feel free, if you're in Melbourne, Australia, that's where we are, come down and talk about old school car audio equipment, new equipment, bass heads, SQ, whatever you like, guys. We look forward to seeing you. In the meantime, follow us on YouTube and Instagram, Facebook. Thanks, guys.